hear, and I've been talking about this for a while, I talk about the real estate default tsunami that is happening at the end of this month. Now, I'm it's projected that the stimulus bill will be passed probably early or late next week. So there's going to be a stimulus bill that's potentially passed next week that will extend the $600 a week or less. It might be less, and it might be harder to qualify. Now, what I haven't heard yet, a part of the stimulus bill, is on July 28th, the moratorium on evictions is lifted. So what does that mean? Moratorium on evictions is lifted. That means that there could be potentially 28 to 30 million evictions that could be hitting the market, right? Another thing too, unemployment rate. I think that's coming out later this week. They're still expected about another 1.3 million unemployed. They're going to be requesting unemployment benefits. So that's still coming about. You're hearing businesses that are shutting. I'm in California right now. Restaurants are quasi open, meaning they don't have any indoor seating. They only have outdoor seating. You have, in California here, you have to wear masks everywhere you go. All the gyms are closed here. I can't get a haircut, right? I have to put so much gel in my hair because I can't get a haircut here in California. I can in Arizona because I have a connection, but here in Arizona, California, I have no connection to get a haircut out here at someone's house. I don't care, whatever it is. So the bottom line is that that this isn't over yet, and what I project is going to happen at the latter part of the year is that these foreclosures are going to hit the market. Now, I've had questions from people going, hey, what about forbearances? The only forbearances that will happen will be done by Fannie and Freddie Mac owned mortgages, which is about 50 to 60% of the market. And also too, first off, they have to qualify for this forbearance, right? They have to qualify for this forbearance. They have to put in all the paperwork for it. And the forbearance, essentially what it will do, it will take the payments that they have not made and tack it on to the back of the mortgage, right? I'll tack it on to the back of the mortgage. So when that happens, right, they're going to have these forbearances, but not everybody is going to get a forbearance. Now, there's expected anywhere from 3 to 5 times the amount of foreclosures that's going to hit the market than compared to 2008. Now, 2008, I was involved in real estate during that time. It was an absolute bloodbath. For real estate wholesalers, it was like being a kid in a candy store. I mean, deals were a lot easier to get, meaning there was a lot of distressed sellers. That's going to happen again. It's going to happen at the last quarter, fourth quarter of 2012, and it will happen in the next part of 2021, right? 2021 and the beginning portion of it.